Everyone, in this video, we'll see how to create a Telegram chatbot using any available public API. Here I have used Weather API. This code creates a Telegram bot that gives weather updates for any location you type. It uses the Weather API to fetch weather details like temperature and conditions. It handles errors gracefully. It works automatically and responds instantly to our messages. What we should do first? First, we should go to Telegram and search for bot father. And after opening the bot father, we should type slash start, then the bot father will send you some message, then slash new bot, it creates a new bot, and we should give a name to the new bot. Here I gave Rishabh, and then after creating we should give it a username. If the username is already taken, it will tell you to take some other username, and later you'll get a username, and after taking that you will get the HTTP API. This is your bot token which will be used in the code, and this is how you create bot father, and then here the chatbot is created in Telegram. How to use this code? Now let's see the code understanding line by line. First line, const request equals to require of request, which means it loads the request library to make HTTP calls to fetch the weather data from the weather API. The next line, const telegram bot equals to require node telegram bot API. This line, it loads the library to create and manage the telegram bot. The next line, it gets the bot token from environment variables and uses a fallback value. The next line, it gets the weather API key from environment variables or uses a fallback value. Here you will be entering your telegram bot token, and here you will be using the weather API key which you will be getting by logging in that website. And in next line, you'll start the telegram bot and makes it listen for incoming messages. Now this function is run whenever the bot receives the message. This function gets run. It extracts the unique ID of the chat. Every chat has its unique ID, and it is taken here, and it send the responses back. This to lowercase, it means the bot automatically will convert it into lowercase. And if the text equals to hello, if the text we sent is hello, then it will give us the hello, please enter the location to find its weather, and then we'll return it. Next, it sends us the URL. It builds the URL to get the weather data from weather API based on the user's input, which location we give to it. And the next request, it makes an HTTP request to fetch the weather data from that particular one. And after, the next line is if of error. Suppose there may be cases of no internet. In that cases, it would be helpful for us. It handles that such cases. Const data equals to JSON parse of body. This line is used. It converts the API response into a JavaScript object. If data dot error checks if the API returned an error. If there is an invalid location, in such cases it is used. Const location equals to data dot location dot time. It extracts the location name from the API response. It extract this temp equals to data dot current dot temp. It extracts the current temperature in Celsius. Constant condition. It extracts the weather description like cloudy, sunny, or something like that. And const reply equals to it gives the reply in the form of the weather in this particular location is this degrees Celsius with, and the condition here in condition it gives whether it is sunny, cloudy, like that. Bot dot send message chat ID of reply, it means it sends the weather details back to the user. Now this is the code. Now let's see how the code works. So it works like if someone sends hello, the bot replies with hello, please enter the location to find its weather. If we type the location, then it connects to the weather API and current weather and gives the current weather for the location. Now let's test it. Now I typed hello. Okay, it asked me hello, please enter the location to find its weather. Now let's see the weather in Bhimavaram. It gave the weather in Bhimavaram is 28.1 degrees Celsius with sunny. Let's see in Manali. The weather in Manali is minus 1.9 degrees Celsius with light snow showers. This is how it works. Its main features are it uses the weather API to fetch weather details like temperature and conditions, and like it connects to the weather API and gets the current weather for that location. And this makes the bot simple to use. Just you have to type a location and it tells you the weather. This is the Telegram chatbot using weather API. Thank you.